Hey everyone, my name is Alaina and I'm the sales manager for ICI Homes. I'm here in Tamaya with Liz. Liz is one of our awesome sales associates here in Tamaya that you'll see when you come to visit us. Liz is going to tell us a little bit about one of her favorite floor plans that we offer here in the community.
One of my absolute favorite floor plans that ICI builds is actually what we're standing in right now, which is the Egret 5. One of the main reasons I love it so much is because it has so much outdoor space for entertaining and for your outdoor living. When you add a really large slider in the back, you can really entertain both from the outdoor and the indoors.
Awesome. Now Liz is absolutely right. The Egret 5 is one of our best-selling floor plans in Tamaya. So speaking of Tamaya, you want to tell us a little bit about the community?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm so blessed to be in this community because I love it so much. So right now, Tamaya has about 1,000 lots and we've built through about 500 of them. That means that we still have just a little under half of them to build. The great thing about being in a community that's 1,000 houses or less is that you can actually get to know everyone in your community, see people whenever there's community events. Speaking of, there's so many great community events here in Tamaya, and if you're looking at getting outside of the community, you're just a few short minutes drive to the beach.
Awesome. Well, we have some awesome events coming up. In the end of March, we have our Casino Royale event for all of our residents, for all of our adult residents, I should say. It's going to be a very fun night, so we're really looking forward to it.
Yes,
all right. Thanks, Liz. Bye.